Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change screen refresh rate in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to display and here go to motion smoothness and motion smoothness is now set to maximum 120 hertz. Okay, so this is called adaptive motion smoothness. Okay, so up to 120 hertz automatically your phone will adjust. Okay, screen refresh rate will be changed maximum 120 hertz. 120 hertz means more smoothness. Okay, so based on the conditions it will use. Okay, that is called adaptive. Okay, suppose if you want to use standard screen refresh rate, then click on the second one and standard screen refresh rate will be used 60 hertz. Okay, so 60 hertz means somewhat low screen refresh rate, so that battery life will be more but smoothness will be less. Okay, click on apply to get this motion smoothness, that is screen refresh rate is set to 60 hertz. Okay, if you would like to use maximum 120 hertz, then keep in adaptive. Okay, so in this way you can easily change screen refresh rate from 60 hertz to 120 hertz in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.